we're gonna see it. I'm gonna see if I can get the mud splashing up from those tires. You'll probably be able to hear the muffler pretty good too. I love this helmet because I can block out all the mud that John Luke is spraying up on me. We're about to get ready to go. Please make sure that you do not have the parking brake on, like every time.
Probably sizzling the brakes.
There's the new part of my house. Old part, new part. This video is going to be great. Oh, wait, let me flip down my navy sunglasses. This is going to be the best POV of your life.
House.
Oops, accidentally fogged it up.
All right, ready?
Yep, we're ready. Camera's rolling. 1 minute and 6 seconds in. You gotta press the gas at the same time. There you go. There you go.